Yes, good morning friends, how are you all? Fine? Very good. Welcome back to online classes again. So in the last two classes we have completed the revision of first lesson, that is rational numbers, as well as the one more chapter, and today I am dealing with linear equations. Okay na? So linear equations, actually before going to this chapter we should know some of the things like constants, variable, expression, next term, next equation line. Okay na? So I will explain one by one. Very simple. First one is constant. Constant means no change. No change. Next one is variable. Variable means changing. Next, expression. Next, equation. So these all four are very important. Equation, afterwards linear equation. Constant means what? No change. The value will not change. Variables means what? The value will be changing. For example, like this. Number means what? 15 you take. This 15 throughout the world, if you say 15, it is 15 only. 15 will not be changed, it will not be 16, will not be 17, will not be 1, will not be 2. 15 means 15 only. But here, in terms of variable, the value will change according to the subject. For example, like this, if you add something to 10, it may be equal to 11, 12. If you add something, it may be equal to 13. If you add 10, you may get 15. If you add 10 times, you may get 25. So according to this also will be changing. Changing is nothing but what? Variable. Okay? So here all numbers. Here all alphabets. All alphabets is nothing but variables like A, B, C, like this will set. Here all numbers, and here expression. We know that some of the fundamental operations in mathematics, addition, multiplication, subtraction and division, the combination of both constant as well as variables with fundamental operations, then this will form an expression. How? Any example? Expressions will be fine. You can form like this. Yes. 10x plus 4. 7y plus 8. 8b plus 7. Okay, na? So here it is also expression. If the expression equating to something 0, 2, 3, 5. If expression is equating to something, then it is known as equation. Equation means expression will be equating to something. So actually, what is the basic definition of equation? So equation means we should find out the unknown value. Whatever it may be. Here x is there, here y is there, here p is there. According to the situation, the answer will be changing. So changing, that's what I am telling. They are variables. If they are changing, they are variables. If they are not changing, then they are constant. Did you understand? Yes. Next one is linear equation. Yes, we have some exponents. How 3x plus 1 equal to 0. If the power is 1, then this equation will become linear equation. If the power is 2, then it will become quadratic equation. Okay, na? This is all you learned in next year. You will learn next year. If it is 3, if degree is 3, then it is nothing but cubic equation. Next one, if it is 4, then it is nothing but biquadratic equation. Okay, na? So in this we are not interested all the things, but we are only interested in linear equations. Understood? Yes. So we will see some of the problems. Afterwards, you will see some of the applications of this. How they will use in day-to-day life. Okay, na? Because mathematics is a wonderful subject which is related to day-to-day life always. Okay, na? Right. We'll solve some of the problems like this. For example, x plus 7 is equals to 8. X minus 9 is equals to 2. 2x plus 3 is equals to 8. 4 minus 3x is equals to 8. 2x plus 3 is equals to 7, like this. Okay. Sorry. 8 is equals to 8 minus 2x equal to 9. Now see, we solve these problems, very simple problems. Now, always unknown will be on the left side and known, that is constant, will be on the right side. Now see, unknown means x. Here already 8 is there, plus 7, if it comes here, it will become minus 7. Therefore, x equal to 1. Next, x is equals to 2 plus 9 will become minus 9 will become plus 9. Therefore, x equal to 11. Come here, same. 2x is equals to 8 plus 3, if it comes here, it will become minus 3. Therefore, 2x equal to 5 and x equal to 5 by 2. Did you understand? Yes. Next, 4 is equals to, you can write, otherwise 4 minus 8 equal to 3x. 4 minus 8 is nothing but minus 4 is equals to 3x and x equal to minus 4 by 3, like this. Next one, very simple. Here also 8 minus 9 equal to, if you go that side, plus 2x, minus 1 equal to 2x, therefore x equal to minus 1 by 2, like this. Okay, na? So here you see all these are all first type of linear equations. Okay, so here before going to this, just I want to tell, if it is equal sign, if plus will become this side, it will become minus. If it is minus, it will become plus. If it is multiplication, it will become division. If it is division, it will become multiplication. Okay, na? You can see the equations. One I will tell. X plus 5 is equals to 7, which implies x is equals to 7 minus 5 is equals to 2. Here you see x minus 2 equal to 5, which implies x is equals to 5 plus 2 equal to 7. 2x is equals to 7, which implies x is equals to 7 by 2. Here you see x divided by 8 equal to 1, which implies x equal to 1 into 8 is equals to 8. Okay, na? Therefore, you see plus minus minus plus into division. Okay, na? So like this. See examples I have given. This is very important. For your solving purpose, this table is very important because already I have given left side and right side. Right side and left side also same only. Okay, na? If it is plus in the left side, if it goes to the right side, it will become minus. If it is minus in the left side, if it comes to right side, it will become plus. Here multiplication is there, division will come. Here division will be there, here multiplication will come. Okay, na? So like this, right? Okay. Next we'll solve some of the problems on this, then you will understand all the things. Okay, na? Right. So first we will solve the problems and we will see some of the applications. Okay, na? Right. Yes. X by 3 plus 5 by 2 is equals to minus 3 by 2. 15 by 4 minus 7x is equals to 9. 3 by 7 plus x is equals to 17 by 7. 1.6 is equals to y divided by 1.5. So you see, one by one problems we solve, all are different. Like this means what I told first of only, variables will be on the left side and numbers will be on the right side, right? Therefore, x by 3 equal to minus 3 by 2 plus will become minus 5 by 2. Therefore, x by 3 is equals to, so here LCM is 2 minus 3 minus 5. Therefore, x by 3 equal to minus 8 divided by 2, or x is equals to minus 8 into 3 divided by 2, 3 1 ja, 2 4 ja, therefore x equal to minus 12. Okay, na? This is also simple. Yes, 15 by 4 plus 9, if it comes minus 9 is equals to 7x. Because always x must be in the positive side, it should not be in the negative side. Therefore, what is the LCM? 36. 4 how many times? 9. 4, 9. 9 into 36. So 15 9 ja 135 minus 3 6 ja 54. 9 6 ja 54. 9 3 ja 27. 32 is equals to 7x. Now what happened? 324. Yes. Sorry. LCM is LCM is 4, therefore 15 minus 36 equal to 7x. So it is nothing but minus 21 divided by 4 equal to 7x. Therefore minus 21 divided by 4 into 7 is equals to x. 7 1 ja, 7 3 ja. Therefore x equal to minus 3 by 4. Okay, na? Like this. Next, x is equals to 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7. Therefore x equal to 17 minus 3 is equal to 14 by 7. Therefore x is equals to 2 like this. Okay, na? Yes. Next here, very simple. 2.6 into 1.5 is equals to y. 56 are 90, 52 are 30, 30 plus 9, 39. Therefore it is nothing but 3.9 is equals to y. Okay, na? I think so you understood all the things. One problem, second problem, third problem, fourth. But all are only some different problems. Okay, understood? Yes. Yes, one more set of problems. Seven x minus 9x. 7x minus 9 is equals to 16. 14y minus 8 is equals to 13. 17 plus 6p is equals to 9. X by 3 plus 1 equal to 7 by 15. So this is second set of problems. Very simple problems. You can see direct is there. 7x is equals to 16 plus 9. Therefore 7x is equals to 25 and x is equals to 25 by 7. Okay, na? Next, 14y is equals to 13 minus 8 will become plus 8. 14y is equals to 21. Y is equals to 21 by 14. 7 3 ja, 7 2 ja. Therefore y is equals to 3 by 2. Next, 6p is equals to 9 minus 17. 6p equal to 9 minus 17 is nothing but minus 8. Therefore p equal to minus 8 by 6. 2 4 ja, 2 3 ja. Therefore p equal to minus 4 by 3. Next, x by 3 is equals to 7 by 15 minus 1. Now see, x by 3 equal to 7 minus 15 by 15. Therefore, x by 3 equal to minus 8 by 15 or x equal to minus 8 into 3 divided by 15, 3 1 ja, 3 5 ja. Therefore, x equal to minus 8 by 5. So, like this problem, sir. Okay, na? Please take down. Yes, after learning this kind of problems, we will move to another problems like this. 2x minus 3 is equals to x plus 2. 5x plus 7 by 2 equal to 3 by 2x minus 14. 3x equal to 2x plus 8. Now here, in the before problems, variable was present on only one side. Now, variable is present on both sides. At that time, we should concentrate on the highest one. See, for example, here 2x is there, here x is there. Now 2x is greater or 2x is greater? Yes, 3x is greater. Therefore, 2x you write like this, plus x if it comes here, minus x. 2 is there, minus 3 means it will become plus 3. Therefore, x equal to 2 plus 3 is nothing but 5. Next problem like this only. 5x minus 3 by 2x is equals to minus 14 minus 7 by 2. Here also 2 is there, here also 2 is there. Therefore, taking LCM 2 only. So here also 2, here also 2. So what happened? 2 5 ja 10x minus 3x. Here 14 2 ja minus 28 minus 7. 2 2 cancel. Now very simple. 10x minus 3x minus 7x minus 35. Therefore, x equal to minus 35 by 7 minus 5. Therefore, x equal to minus. Do you understand? So here in this type of problems, x, that is variable, is present on both sides. This is the only difference, right? Next, come here. 3x plus 2x means minus 2x is equals to 18. Now very simple, 3x minus 2x is x is equals to 18. Before that, variable was present on the only one side, but now in this type of problems, variable is present on both the sides. Therefore, I told you which is bigger and which is positive. Like that only we will change, exchange. Exchange means what? Yes, numbers will be on one side and variables will be on one side. Okay, na? Yes. Next step. In this type only some more problems are there. We will do them. Because more problems if you solve, you will understand better than that. Okay, na? So try to solve the problems. Try to solve more problems, not one problem. 5x plus 9 is equals to 5 plus 3x. 4y plus 3 is equals to 6 plus 2y. 2p minus 1 equal to 14 minus p. 8b plus 4 equal to 3 into b minus 1 plus 7. So these are also problems of the same only. Variable is present on both sides. Okay, na? Very simple. Now 5x plus 3x if it comes here, minus 3x. Already what is there? 5 is there. Now plus 9 if it comes here, minus 9 over. 5x minus 3x, it is 2x equal to minus 4. Therefore x equal to minus 4 divided by 2. Therefore answer is x equal to minus 2. Next, 4y plus 2y means minus 2y equal to 6 minus 3. Therefore 2y equal to 3 and y equal to 3 by 2. If you want, you can verify whether it is correct or not. Shall we verify? Yes. 4 into y means 3 by 2 plus 3 is equals to 6 plus 2 into 3 by 2. Now see, 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. 3 3 ja, 9. 9 plus 3, 12 answer. You see here, 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja. 6, sorry, here what happened? Okay, 3, 4, 2 1 ja, sorry, here 2 ja, yes. 6 plus, sorry, 6 plus 3, it is not 12, it is 9. Here also 6 plus 3 is 9. So both are like this. Now come here. 2p minus p, if it comes here, plus p. Already 14 is there. Minus 1 if it goes that side, plus 1. Now 2p plus 1p is nothing but, guess, 3p is equals to 15. Now p equal to 15 by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 5 ja. Therefore, p equal to what's the answer? 5 lines. If you want, here you can also substitute. We'll see one more problem. 8b plus 4 is equals to, take 3 inside the bracket. Therefore, 3b minus 3 plus 7. Now this problem has become like this, means same problem only. Just we should interchange. How? 8b minus 3b equal to 7 minus 3 is 4 plus 4 will become minus 4. 3b minus 3b, 8b minus 3b means 5b equal to 0. 5 is not equal to 0, therefore b must be equal to 0. Because number is there, number cannot be equal to 0, but an expression can be expressed equal to 0 or a variable can be equal to 0 except the numbers. Numbers will not be equal to 0. Okay na? Please take down. Yes. Some more problems on the same set. X is equals to 4 by 5 into x plus 10, 2x by 3 plus 1 is equals to 17x, 7x plus 3, 2y plus 1 equal to 7x by 15 plus 3, 2y plus 5 by 3 equal to 26 by 3 minus, yes. This is one more set of problems. We'll see here. Very simple only. There is no difficulty. Okay. Now x is equals to, take x into 5 is 5x, 4x plus 40. So 5x minus 4x equal to 40. Therefore x equal to 40. Same this problem. 2x by 3 minus, okay, here also 3 only, 7x by 3 is equals to 3 minus 1. Yes, it is 7x by yes, it is 7x by 15. So take it 7x by 15. Now, what is the LCM here? You tell me. It is nothing but 2 only. There is no LCM. Here 15 is the LCM. So 3 5 ja. Here like this and 15 into 1. So 5 2 ja nx minus 7x is equals to 2. Now see 10 minus 7x is 3x. is equals to, yes, 15 into 2, or x equal to 15 into 2 divided by 3. 3 1 ja 3 5. Therefore x equal to 10. See now, 5 2 ja 10x, 7x. Yes, 10 minus 7x is 3x. 15 2 ja 15 into 2 is 30. Therefore x equal to 30 divided by 2 is nothing. 30 divided by 3 is nothing but x by 10. Now same. Here actually, here 7y only. Now you can take 2y minus 7y by 15 equal to 3 minus 1. Yes. Now 15 2 ja 30y minus 7y equal to by 15 is equals to 2. Or 30 minus 7 is 23y is equals to 30. Therefore y equal to 30 divided by 23. Next, 2y plus y is equals to 26 by 3 minus 5 by 3. Now 2y plus y is 3y is equals to 21 by 3. Therefore y equal to 21 divided by 3 into 3. 3 1 is 7. Therefore y equal to 7 by. Okay na? So like this. So here different varieties are there. This is nothing but second variety. In the first variety we have seen only one variable on one side only, and in the second time we have seen variable is present on the both sides. Okay na? So now we will see third time. What we will get in third time to see. So first I am solving only these problems. Afterwards we will discuss about the applications. Okay na? These linear equations are applications. Yes. Now you see 6x plus 1 by 3 plus 1 is equals to x minus 3 divided by 6. This is third type. 5x minus 2 into 2x minus 7 is equals to 2 into 3x minus 1 plus 7 by 2. Third one, x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equals to x by 3 plus 5 by 4. Sorry, it is 1 by 4. No problem. Right. Now very simple. You see this problem. Now just bring that side. 6x plus 1 by 3. Okay na? Otherwise multiply throughout by 6, because the LCM of 3 and 6 is 6 only. Like this we will do. Therefore 3 2 ja 2 into bracket 6x plus 1 plus 6 into 1 is 6 equal to x minus 3. Now it has become in the second time. That is 2 6 ja 12x plus 2 plus 6 equal to x minus 3. 12x minus x equal to 2 plus 6 is minus 8. Therefore minus 8 minus 3. 11x equal to minus 11. Therefore x equal to minus 11 by 11 is equals to minus 1. Okay na? So next, very simple. Next one, 5x minus 4x plus 2 4 ja 2 7 ja 14 is equals to 2 into 3 is 6x minus 2 plus 7 by 2. Now you can separate all the variables at one side and numbers will be on the other side. No problem. 5x minus 4x is x minus 6x is equals to, yes, minus 2 plus 7 by 2, and it is nothing but equal to minus 40. Now it is nothing but minus 5x is equals to 2 is the LCM, minus 4 plus 7 minus 28. Therefore, minus 5x equal to, yes, minus 32 plus 7 divided by 2, minus 5x equal to, yes, minus 25 divided by 2, minus cancel, x equal to 25 divided by 2 into 5, 5 1 ja, 5 5 ja, therefore x equal to 5 by 2. Okay, na? So this is very simple. So next problem is also like that only. X by 2 plus is nothing but minus x by 3 is equals to 1 by 4, minus will become plus 1 by 5. Okay, na? Now here what is the LCM? 6 is the LCM, here 20 is the LCM. Simple, 2 into 3 and 3 into 2. 3x minus 2x here, 5 plus 4. Now very simple, 2x minus x, 3x minus 2x is x. X by 6 equal to 9 by 20. Therefore x equal to 9 into 6 divided by 20. Therefore 2 3 ja, 2 10 ja. Therefore x equal to 27 by 10 or 2.7. So here very simple problems. Yes, you can see x minus 6x is equals to minus 2 plus 7 by 2 minus 40. So like this, like that means what? In these type of problems, the variable not only on the both sides, but it is in the fraction form. So we reduce it to linear equations. At last we got the answers. Okay, na? Yes. In this one more time is there. That type will complete it now. Okay, na? Yes. Yes, very simple problems. 3t minus 2 divided by 4 minus 2t plus 3 divided by 3 is equals to 2 by 3t minus 1 or 2 by 3 minus t m minus 1 divided by 2 equal to 1 minus m minus 2 divided by 3. One more problem. 3 into t minus 3 is equals to 5 into 2t plus 1. Yes, very simple problem it is also. These three also. We'll see how to solve this. Now very simple. First we have all fractions are there. So let me take LCM so that the denominator will get cancels by themselves only. 4, 3, 12. Therefore, multiply throughout by 12. Now 4, 3 jar. Therefore, 3 into 3t minus 2 minus 3, 4 jar. 4 into 2t plus 3 is equals to 3, 4 jar, 4, 2 jar, 8 minus 12t. Okay, na? Now 3, 3 jar, 9t minus 6 is equals to 4, 2 jar, 8t plus, minus, again minus 4, 3 jar, 12 equal to 8 minus 12t. Now 90 minus 80 is, yes, t plus 12t is equals to 8 plus 12 plus 6. Therefore, 30t equal to 26 and t equal to 26 by 30, 32. Therefore, what is the answer? Yes, t equal to 2. Next here, 2, 3 is there, LCM is 6, therefore multiply throughout by 6. Now 6 into m, 6m minus 3 into m minus 1 is equals to 6 minus 2 into m minus 2. Okay na? So very simple. Now again 6m minus 3m plus 3 is equals to 6 minus 2m plus 4. Now bring this side. 3m minus 6m minus 3m is 3m plus 2m is equals to 6 plus 4 10 minus 3. Therefore 5m equal to 7. Therefore m equal to 7 by 5. Yes. Next. 3 into t, 3t minus 9 equal to 10t plus 5. Go to the side. Minus 9 minus 5 equal to 10t minus 3t. Minus 14 equal to 7t. Therefore t equal to minus 14 divided by 7. Therefore t equal to minus 2. Okay, so like this, please take down.